A man's gotta do what his family needs him to do. That when I come home, everything should be alright. So mommy, hold on, everything will be just fine. So I'm coming home, everything should be alright. So baby, hold on, everything will be just fine. Said I know that you miss me, baby, and I know the children too. So many times and I'm so far away, it's thoughts of you that carry me through my day. It's not easy for a man to live this way, but I do, that's why I pray that when I come home, everything should be alright.